Either way, I still wish you were here. Don't make everything's meant to be. Batuk dulu, batuk dulu. Don't be everything's meant to be. Either way, I still wish you were here. Lalu gue cek dulu sudah live belum. Either way, kok masih kencengan ya guys suaranya? Don't be everything's meant to. Alright, selamat datang dan kita akan streaming bermain Sui. Kita ke Blade Outpost dulu kemarin katanya. Oh iya benar guys, ke Blade Outpost dulu ternyata.
You're the leader of the company, aren't you?
Huh? What do you think you're doing here?
Ada nggak kedengeran ya anjing? Ntar.
There's something I need to
Oh udah.
discuss.
What's to discuss? Don't think you can come close just because the Mage Lord has a selective memory.
There's no way we'd lose to a bunch of strays like you. Enough. Princess.
You're acting like a fool. And you call yourself one of the blades of Knight's Jail? What?
My apologies. Please forgive this behavior.
No problem. I had a hunch there'd be some ill will stirring over here, and that's why I came. I'm glad that at least you and Melvis are decent enough to hear me out.
You're saying I'm not decent now, are you?
That about sums it up, yeah.
What the? Stop it.
Listen, Roberto, just now you said there's no way you'd lose to us. Since when are we the ones you're winning or losing to? Our enemy is the Order, right?
Don't get too comfy, boy. Just because we're on the same side doesn't mean we're buddies.
Wih, songong
That's not what I'm
banget lu
saying.
buat
There's
that.
nothing wrong with a little healthy rivalry, if it makes us stronger. But we shouldn't be competing for a pat on the head from the Mage Lord.
What?
Huh? But we need the Magedom's help to destroy the Order and free our homeland Austrasia. We must prove our worth so the Magedom is on our side when the time comes.
You ought to get your priorities straight. If we keep beating the Order, you'll earn your reputation. But if we lose, it's all over. You'll never be able to free your country. We can't afford to spend time arguing with each other and worrying about what the Mage Lord thinks.
You. Princess? Forgive me. I just haven't felt this happy since before our kingdom was invaded.
Huh?
I'm sure you are aware that the three royal wives are feuding, aren't you? That was the work of the Mage Lord.
Really?
Really,
Why?
but why?
He wanted them competing to make them contribute more to the Magedom. It also served to prevent them banding together to rise against him.
You mean with us?
Yes.
Exactly. The Mage Lord is trying to pull the same trick with the company and us.
Yeah, notifnya berisik banget ya.
But before we knew it, we were being played like puppets anyway.
Yes, the Blades have a sense of pride in being stronger than the average person. Given a worthy rival, we can't help but compete to prove our strength.
Xiaomi ini ya ribet ya guys.
What's more, we have the burden of freeing our homeland
Update
Australia
mulai.
on our minds. We were easy targets.
That stinks. I can't believe I didn't realize.
Allow me to express my gratitude once more. If you hadn't come here to put things straight, we would have been led astray by the Mage Lord.
Kayak apa ya guys?
When we first met in Foldaria Forest, I knew you were destined for big things. But I had no idea we would be taking lessons from you so soon. I can't help but marvel at how far you've come. Everyone hammer this message into your hearts. Our enemy is the order of the one true way.
Let's go.
And we will crush them with the help of his company, our comrades in arms. Understood?
Understood! Great. We'll be honored to fight by your side.
Don't be everything. Ini keren tau nih orang nih. Atas dulu nggak Arcane Academy. Di sini jadi bisa dibuka ya guys. Kayaknya nggak ke sini deh. Don't be everything's meant to be. Prince Palace dulu ya guys sih. Gak bisa sial. Kita harus cek-cekin dulu guys. Ntar ada sesuatu lagi. Don't be everything's meant to be. Nggak ada ya. Gue takut udah jauh-jauh begitu lagi guys. Mending kita muter-muter di sini dulu daripada ntar udah jauh terus balik lagi. Don't be everything's meant to be. Nggak ada. Na 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 na. Either way, I still wish you were here. Don't be everything. Itu gak sih lagunya? Asal bangke. Ah iya ini cok. Berarti kita harus kasih ini dulu, ntar jalannya otomatis. Oke. I understand, please understand. This is just goodbye, this isn't just goodbye. Okay, everyone in their position. I'll feel you in once where we were there as well. Alright. Let's head out. Okay. Oh my, oh shit, kita akan berpisah kah dengan Cowgar, cowok ganteng dan tegar, gila. Roberto. Don't worry about what behind you, just head straight for the bridge. The blades of night fell at your back. Let's go. That's Roberto. Let's go, Mamet. Alright. Either way, I still wish you were here. Rame amat ya. Di sini banyak musuhnya guys, parah ya. bikin batch gitu, bikin batch. Oh shit meh, come on meh, here we go again meh. Oh shit, oh yeah, oh man. Don't be everything's meant to be. Na, 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 na. Kan banyak banget kan? Kan XP kecil banget di sini masalahnya. Batch banget gue batch. Tahu batch gak sih lo? Pergi di sini cara dapat duitnya begitu. Either way, I still wish you were here. Let's go. It's not fast love this time. This is bad if their main force are still in the fortress. Many people could be in danger. What's the problem? All we need to do is take down this guy and draw the rest out of hiding. Wow. Perangin gak sih guys? Ih, gak ada rasanya anjing. You gonna die bro. Aduh kena lagi bro. Serbu. Ntar akhirnya Liu bisa bergabung dengan kita kali ya. Lumayan mega medicine ya. Oh dia Veslo. Oh Gopu, ini kan ada temennya ya. Guys ini serius guys, berantem lagi guys sama dia. Oh shit. Deskripsinya gimana guys? Oops, physical death of all allies. Terturn boleh. Boleh. Pukul nggak sih? Aduh dia jangan deh. Oh dia pakai magic ya guys. Let's go tes. Cepetan dia loh. Ih gak ada rasanya bangke. Apa incer sini dulu ya? Resno dulu. Lebih-lebih nggak berasa lagi anjing. Oh harusnya gue bawa ini gak sih si Liu guys. Oh enggak deh, emang ini guys. Oh kalah. Haha, pancingan bro. Oh shit. Coba. Speed downpour. Bentar, ini bisa ini guys. Coba. Gila. Turu lagi. Serang dia. No, we can open the gate. Haha, terus lu ngapain lo? We will travel between their force. I'm aware of that. Time to leave this place. Kabur dia. Padahal dia kuat loh.
Yes, they took the gate. Now is our chance to take back Lad's fortress. Follow the company's lead.
Gila dapat kita. Either way, I still wish you were here. You're quite the young commander. I find myself wanting to test you further. Hey wait, you're not thinking of going another run with us, are you? No, now is not the time to work another day. I look forward to our next meeting. Cabut dia. Oh, he's pulling back. We've won. Yes, this day shall be remembered. Gerak. Hurry up, move on in. Lazza Fortress is back in our hand, you know. Seems the order has made some change in here. Let's start getting things back the way they were. Here we go. My brother was taken prisoner by the order. We can be reunited at last. Didn't you hear? They're saying there aren't any prisoners here. What did you say? Is it true? I'm afraid so. The jail here doesn't appear to have been used in a long time. So, what happened to the Maidstone troops who were taken prisoner then? Oh, pada nggak ada ya? Tahanan yang di sini ya? Lu dipindahin ke utara kah? Nggak telat. Either way, I still wish you were here. Kemana lagi nih, nyet? Oh, shit. I found it. It's over here. Oh, man. Yep, this is the place. I'm sure of it. Ya, kita berpisah dengan Cogar ya. Cowok ganteng dan tegar. Anjay. Wait, siap. Ada apps nih berkilau.
You should be able to get back to your world through this gateway, Cougar.
Sugar.
Well then.
Wait, I have an idea.
An idea?
Let me test it first.
What?
Oh iya, si Mamet tuh nggak bisa nyebrang dunia lain ya, karena dia berasal dari dunia lain gitu. Jadi tuh aturannya di sini gini. Yang kemarin gua tangkap tuh gini, lu cuman bisa kembali pakai gerbang di mana lu pergi gitu. Si Mamet kan keluar dari sini. Nah, dia harus balik lagi lewat dari gerbang ini. Makanya dia mati-matian kan bantuin kita buat ngerebut ini gitu.
Relax, I'll be fine. Here goes nothing.
Oh dear. Are you okay?
Balik lagi ya?
Huh? It's no good here either. Thought it was gonna work this time.
Oh, I see. You were testing if you could travel through to another world.
I was hoping I'd go see Cougar's world for myself.
Yeah, it's too bad. It would have been nice to take you both back with me to meet Chief Dulf.
Sip deal.
Chief Dulf. Is he your king?
Yeah, that's right. It's a bit scary, but really strong. A good king.
He sounds like one from what I've heard from you. I'd like to meet him myself. But it doesn't look like I'm getting through this gateway anytime soon. Well, I might be able to one day. And when I can, your world will be the first one I visit. You better win that war of yours before I get there, okay?
Well, I won't know how it'll go until I try, right?
Gila dia. Sudah mencontoh kata-kata gua ya kan. Kita nggak bakal tahu kalau kita belum mencobanya gitu. Mamet 2024 aja.
And once the war's over, I'll come back and visit.
Yep, it's a deal.
Take care, Cougar. Good luck back there.
Thanks.
You've all been so kind to me. Don't mention it. Give my best to the others as well. I'll be seeing you.
Yep.
Apakah dia bisa?
He's gone.
He'll be back soon enough, don't worry.
Oh, ternyata benar bisa.
I guess you're right.
in another person. The next step, yes. Ngapain lagi nih guys? Allow the order to main. Of course we'll help lah ya. Please stay on standby here at the fortress. We will move out as soon as Lady Sarah arrives. It should only be 2 or 3 more days. Got it. Time to go. Able to free my little brother at last. Apa tuh? Mereka ngapain aja? Isn't that? Saha ieu teh? Let me take care of that then. Thanks Leo. As for me, shooting. Gitu kali ya. Let's go sih. Nah, gitu dong Leo. Join the party. Let's go to the party, Liu. Wow, berdua doang anjing. Siapa ini, guys?
Good to see a friendly face. Look who we have here. Glad you made it through.
Yeah, what's going on here?
It's the prisoners. The prisoners have come back.
Huh?
The prisoners? You mean the ones that were captured by the order?
Yes, that's right. The prisoners are free.
But why?
They must have realized all these prisoners were holding them back more than helping them. Hey, some of them are still wounded. Get them taken care of right away. Yes, sir.
Lu percaya aja lu.
Yeah, I know. This is about as fish as a fish pie with extra fish on the side.
Ya kan?
You don't think those order creeps know about something bad that's gonna happen here?
I wouldn't put it past them. Most of the Maidsdom's military force is here right now, after all. If there was a big flood or an earthquake...
They'd be in no shape to wage a war anymore.
It's worse than that. Most of these prisoners are weak or wounded. I doubt very many of them could get away on their own, so it would be chaos.
Chaos.
You think that's why they let them go?
I can't say for sure, but knowing the order, it's the sort of thing they'd stoop to.
Do something. Hey, you guys! This place is in danger! Get out of here while you can!
What? This some kind of joke? I haven't heard anything about the order being on the move.
Iya kan, gue curiga sih.
That's not what I'm talking about. Something's about to happen here.
Well, what kind of something?
I don't know that yet.
Let me get this straight. You don't know why, but you want us to run away. Some hero, huh? The
Yeah,
order freed our
panggil
prisoners shows
juga
how
nih.
much they fear us. This time we have the upper hand. When we begin our attack tomorrow, you better keep those cowardly comments to yourself.
Hey, wait up! You gotta believe me that we're in real danger here.
It's no good. They just won't listen.
Isn't there anyone here we can convince?
What are you doing here?
Hey, you two couldn't have picked a worse time to show up, you know.
What do you mean? This place could be in danger. Get out, quick!
Danger?
Yeah,
I see. In that case, Lady Shyla is on her way here from the Mage City. Let's ask her for help.
huh?
If Lady Shyla was the one giving the order to withdraw, the soldiers would have to take heed. Crowd killed. You mean you believe us? Yes. The same thing happened when the city of Faramond and our homeland fell into the hands of the Order. Seriously? Melvis, we must hurry. We need to get word to Lady Shyla as soon as possible.
Yes, Commander.
Gila dia percaya sama kita loh.
What should we do?
Aduh ini apa ya guys? Subscribe dulu deh.
From the looks of things here, I don't think we can do much more on our own.
Well, we can at least make sure no more soldiers come in. Let's stop them at the bridge.
Good idea. That should be easier than getting the ones here to leave.
Oke, kita ke bridge kah? Oh, dia ini ya ibarat cenayang kayak. Either way.
An earthquake.
An earthquake.
What's happening?
Oh, robo coy. Yang lain pada kemana ya? Kan udah dibilangin. Ih, gila dia masih mau nyelamatin orang loh. Ih, itu apa ya? Dari dalam air gitu loh.
Oh no.
It seems most of the soldiers in the fortress were unable to escape. There were too many of them, so they ended up getting stuck at the gates. Others tried to take their wounded friends with them, but couldn't make it out in time.
The Order. They must have released the prisoners because they knew this would happen. After maybe they have someone like old
Pinter
Doga
juga
who
dia.
sense earthquakes.
Doga. Oh, Doga iya, Doga yang ini yang di Gunung Salji itu loh,
Who
guys.
knows?
They'll pay for this. Oh, sure. I know that war can get ugly. But this is something else. This time they've gone too far. The Order's gonna pay if this is how they want to wage war.
I found you at last.
Assad.
What's wrong? You look like you've seen a ghost.
The Blades of Night's Vale. They've all been detained and taken back to the Mage City.
What'd you say?
Why on earth would that happen?
I don't know the details, but they are suspected of involvement in the events at Lasda Fortress.
You gotta be kidding me.
I know how strange this sounds, and I wish I had an explanation. In any case, we should go and find out now.
Got it.
Timnya Mamet ya. Berarti satu lagi tuh short. Gel aja. Let's go guys. Kita ke ini dulu ya. Mesh Dome lagi ya. Glow ini lumayan guys buat dijual tahu. Don't be everything. Buset nih baliknya jauh banget anjir. Either way, I still wish you were here. Kita harus kuat ya karena si Cogar sudah tidak ada bersama kita lagi. Wih, roboh tuh lihat guys, parah banget ya. Alhamdulillah. Don't be everything. Ini meat ya, daging guys, males. Itu sangat murah. Either way, I still wish you were here. Woohoo! I'm the best that ever was. Yang dilawan malas. Balik ke El Coral lah. Oh, kita ke ini. Into things since I went to get you, so he had a head start. The blades of my plan have been their outpost. So ada Yamin. Gue pengen ngomong sih sebenarnya.
of your time, please.
You're the one with Shams.
Tash, what are you doing here?
I came as an unofficial messenger from the Prince's palace. I have some news for you.
News?
Princess Crowkild has been moved from the Blade's outpost to the inner sanctum of the Imperial Palace.
What? What did you say?
The inner sanctum? You mean the Mage Lords?
Yes, it seems Lord Danash plans to force Princess Crowkild into resigning herself to her situation. In return for dropping the accusations against the Blades, he wants her to become his own.
Become his own. You mean marry him?
Ih, gila pengen dinikahin lu.
He'd do that? Lay false accusations against the Blades just to gain the hand of Crowkild?
Lord Danash is infatuated with Princess Crowkild, but that is not his only motive. As Assad has guessed, he wants her to take responsibility for the incident at Latza Fortress. That done, he will absorb the Blades into the Magedom forces and make them his pawns to play with.
And that's why he's detained Crowkild? That scoundrel! I cannot allow this to happen. It would make a mockery of the vow the Blades made to recover their homeland.
That does it. This has got to be stopped. Blue, we're gonna save the Blades of Knight's Vale, then leave the Magedom.
Huh?
Don't worry. I'm not giving up our fight against the Order. We've still got to protect the village and put an end to their evil. But we're through with the Magedom. This so-called alliance has turned into nothing but a sick joke.
You're right. I'm with you. No good will come of clinging to an alliance with the Magedom when the Blades are being treated like this.
Assad, what do you do?
My path is clear. I'll have nothing more to do with the Magedom, ranking officer or not.
But Assad, what about all the soldiers fighting under your command?
I must leave without telling them. This is a burden I shall bear alone. I don't want them involved.
I see.
Great. It's decided then.
I am pleased you all feel that way. Now I am able to pass on my message from Prince Shams.
Huh?
When you leave the Magedom, he would like you to take Princess Manaril with you.
Hah? Kok dibawa?
The princess?
You mean the Crown Prince knew we were gonna leave the Magedom?
He believed you would not stand for the tactics the Magedom is employing.
He's right. I don't mind helping that girl. I wanted to help her myself, in fact. The last time I went there, you stopped me, remember?
This is true. However, if it is not done now, Princess Manaril may never have another chance for freedom.
All right, then. I accept Sham's request.
Many thanks.
So we have two princesses to save. We'll have to act quick, before they figure out what we're up to. We don't have much time, so I think we're gonna have to split up into two groups. Are you ready to give this a shot?
Let's go ya nggak sih? Siapa yang ikut Asad, guys? Mamet sama Liu deh, boleh. Selamat lupa. Erin. Terus Asad gue kasih Sijel aja deh. Face level, aduh. cukup ya. Head out. Goodbye, matchdom. Alliance is over. Siap dulu gak sih, guys? Takut. Kita kak. Alhamdulillah. Pilek bos. Kita kayak pernah Arkan Academy. Alhamdulillah. Oh yang di bawah nggak sih? Yang bocah di bawah itu guys? Let's go. Ini hot tupo masih level 19 masalahnya guys. Sakit anjing. Wah, anjing ngincer cok. Defend gak sih guys? Lu defend aja. Ya aja nih guys. Ya naik level dong. 5.000, mantep kali bos. Langsung level 23 bro. Bentar ya, gue ngambil teh dulu guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, ya kan? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya selamat berbuka ya. Kita minum dulu aja nyantai. Makin merah aja nih. Nanggung ya, kelarin misi ini dulu guys. Yuk ke bawah yuk. Suka nggak responsif kan? Suka berhenti sendiri kan sticknya? Ini nih guys. Dia nggak ini ya? Mana dia?
There she is.
Who are you?
Don't worry. Your brother sent us to help you.
My brother?
Look exhausted.
Capek
They
dia.
might be really pushing you to the limit reading that book. Now, we gotta go.
But what about...
Look, I'm getting you out of here, okay? I don't care if you think I'm abducting you or what. If you've got a complaint, make it later.
But...
No buts. Leave this to me.
Oke, dia ngikut kita. Feeling gue sih kita dihadang ya di depan ya guys. Feeling gue ya dihadang nih deh. Lu nggak mau ikut kita bro? Ketemu di Mislato River kan? Hah? Kenapa tuh? Monster lagi guys. Let's go guys. Buat kita bersinar guys. Wow, sakit anjing. Masih ada kan? Gue nedai kan lo? Oke, naik level.
Illusions. Haven't we seen something like this
Nah, nih ada yang nyuruh nih pasti.
What do we have here? Thieves?
before? Who are you?
Oh,
So, you were nothing but
emaknya bro.
barbarians after all.
You.
Mother.
Give me the chronicle.
What?
There was a book in the room where that child was sleeping. You came to steal it, did you not? Give it back.
We're no thieves. I came to rescue this girl. Well, to be honest, I didn't even see that there was a book back there. What are you doing worrying about a book over your daughter anyway? You call yourself a mother?
If I asked you to return my daughter, would you?
Nah,
Well then, do as you please.
Mother.
What did you say?
It was time to look for a new reader in any case.
Ih gila, sadis banget emaknya nih.
The child will not live much longer.
Hidupnya gak lama lagi.
How can you say that to your own daughter?
I'm merely stating a fact.
Ini
So you just want us
kasih
out of the
jalan
way,
loh.
huh?
As I said, do as you please.
All right, we will then. Come on, Manero.
Farewell, Mother.
Anjir sedih banget, dibuang. Kayak kasus sekarang lagi rame ini, dibuang sama orang tua.
Yes, Manuel will not be long for this earth. If she were to stay here,
Apa dia baik ya guys tadi? Kadang ada yang so jahat aja gitu loh guys. Padahal mah niat dia baik gitu. Well said. Yes, you're right. Well, it seems things have gone well so far. Let me just check again. Are you really willing to leave the mage down with us? Of course, I know what the mage lord is up to now. We had no intention for having us restore to our homeland. We have no further reason to be here. I will come with you too. Okay, good. We'd better get going soon. When the mage lord comes around, we will be branded traitors and pursued. Let's leave the mad city and head to Mislato River. Kemana nih guys? Oh ini kakaknya. Bener. Gila tebakan gue benar kan? Intuisi gue.
And Manaril? Shams, what are you doing here? I thought I asked you to take Manaril away from the Mage City.
That's what I'm gonna do, so... You wanna come too? We can all get out of here.
Huh?
No,
Ayolah,
what's going on
gila.
here, right?
Hidup itu
You shouldn't
bebas
have to put up
bro.
with it.
Hidup itu adalah pilihan.
Thank you. I never
Sama di
dreamed
jalur
you would ask
positif
me such a
gas.
thing.
Berarti ini nggak ada negatifnya juga sih.
But I'm afraid I cannot go with you. Shams,
Why not?
I am the Crown Prince, heir to the Magedom. If I join you, the Magedom forces will pursue you until the ends of the earth.
Wih gila dia ini ya mau melindungi kita ternyata.
So what? Let him chase us.
I also have a task to complete here. I must make this a realm that Princess Crowchild can visit without concern for her safety. A realm that Manaril can come back to one day and live in peace.
Shams,
This is an almost impossible task. If my father or mother heard me say this, they would laugh in scorn. But I'll never know unless I try. Do you understand?
Ih gila, dipakai lo kata-kata si Mamet.
yeah, I do.
So for now, this is goodbye. Manaril, please forgive me for not keeping you safe here. No, Shams. Don't blame yourself for what has happened to me. He is a strong man, and he has a kind heart. You will be safe with him.
I guess I am pretty strong. Prince, you had best leave quickly, as the Mage Lord will be on the move soon.
Yes. I entrust my sister to your care. Please, look after her.
Of course, you can count on me.
Manaril, I promise to come for you. Take care until then.
Gila.
I will, Shams.
Ibaratnya gini loh. Kita berteman, kita apa ya? Kita mempunyai ikatan tapi kita berjuang dengan cara kita masing-masing. The best you can do, anjir. But worry, I have cause my brother. I have at least gitu ya, at least one a reason to life. Maybe for you, I wish he could come. Balik, cabut berarti. Ke Miss Lato gak sih? Oh langsung.
Over here.
You took your time.
Did everyone make it? All present and accounted for. Great. Let's go.
You got it.
Wait. Huh? We've been surrounded. What?
Tawan ya?
My compliments, everyone. You have put on quite a performance.
Siapa guys? Oh,
The Mage Lord.
Lady Shyla, too.
What have we here? I knew he was a gutsy lad, but who'd have thought he'd go this far?
Indeed. I had anticipated he would rescue the Blades of Knight's Vale. But to flee with the captain from my mage company, and my daughter as well, this is unexpected.
Father,
Are you telling me you planned all this from the beginning?
Some, maybe. Not all.
not all.
the Blades and I were nothing but bait?
My desire to wed you is no fabrication. It is not too late to change your mind. If you are willing, we could forget this even happened.
Huh. I must respectfully refuse your kind offer.
I had a feeling you would. As you well know, the Magedom has suffered heavy losses in our fight against the Order. To overcome this crisis and continue our struggle, I have need of a hero. A hero who can do more than simply swing a sword. One with spirit, resourcefulness, and I believe that you are the hero I am seeking.
Me?
Indeed. You may think of all this as a stage I have constructed to test your capabilities. I ask you again, will you stand at the head of the Magedom of Janam? You may keep the company as your personal guard.
No. Maju Jaya itu adalah keluarga, bro. Bukan ini ya, bukan company.
I know you have the
Walaupun
quality
namanya
to become a
company.
great general, equal in status to Shyla here. What say you? Surely this is an opportunity you cannot refuse, I see. And why is that?
Because you try to twist me around your finger so you can have everything just the way you want. You might think you're hot stuff, but when it comes down to it, you're no different than the Order.
What?
A future the way you want it and a future that's already determined, they both sound the same to me. So, long story short, we won't be needing your help to fight the Order anymore.
Very well. However, please know that I simply act as a ruler must act. I paint a better future and realize it by motivating the people. Without this, our magedom would crumble. But it seems there is no way for me to convince you. This is a great pity. Shyla.
Understood.
Ribut nih.
You are now branded traitors of the Magedom. Your deaths will be naught but your own responsibility. Oh, and Manaril, do not fret as your life will be spared. After all, you have your reading to return to, and death will come to you there soon enough.
You evil...
Lady Shyla, this poor attempt at a threat discredits you. You should step down while you still can.
How dare you?
My lord, no, Danash. You have seen that this young warrior has the making of a hero in him. I must congratulate you on your perceptiveness. You should therefore know that such threats are of no use against him. And that goes for us as well.
Well put.
Traitors, you say? Our deaths will be our own responsibility? We've already made our decision. That's why we stand here
Gila,
before
berani
you.
juga dia.
Me.
Gila, wah gila Mamet. Change the world, bro.
I'm sorry, Father. I'm going with these people.
Thanks, guys.
Huh. Quite a feat to inspire such words from Manuel, when she seldom speaks to anyone but Lizland. Such a waste. Truly a waste of talent. There is no going back now.
Guards, take them into custody. If they resist, you may kill all but Manuel.
Yes, Lordship!
Are you serious? Seriously?
Now this is getting interesting.
It seems you have forgotten the power of the Blades of Night's Veil. Time for a reminder.
Come and get it!
Let's go. Lu. Matchnya dulu gak sih? Anjay 1000 bro. Bahaya juga. Serang kali bang. Wih gila diserang bro. Gonna die bro. Boleh juga nih. Aduh di depan lagi. Aduh gua lupa guys. Let's go guys. Diajarin aja. Wah sekali doang ya. Oh dia nggak bisa guys. Gua rasa nanti lawan si ini ya, Raja Medom nih nanti nih si Mamet. Let's go. Gonna die bro. Gak ada yang naik lagi. Nah ini tinggal Mametnya nih. Ntar dulu guys. Kita bantai ini. Aduh, dia cuma bisa jalan ya. Wait. Sial, kena. Jangan match. Gonna die, bro. Oke, waktu pun naik level.
My God! You are monsters!
Monster lah.
Out of the way! We're coming through!
I don't understand. Don't you realize if you struck me down now, the magedom would be yours?
You can keep your lousy magedom.
Stop your insolence. To fight an enemy as powerful as the Order, you must have organization and strength.
Masa iya?
In that, our magedom is second to none. Do you really believe you can defeat the Order without us?
Well, I won't know until I give it a try.
Yoi, kata-kata andalan, bro.
Be seeing you. Sorry I had to cut our visit short.
Shame it had to end this way. I am grateful you took us in after we lost our homeland.
Lady Shyla, I do not regret my service under you. Thank you.
Father, Shyla, I will be back.
I will be back. Kenapa tuh?
My lord.
Your lordship, Lady Shyla, are you both safe and well?
Where have you been? You are late.
Sorry, my lady. Please forgive me. The pursuit party is ready to leave. We can set off immediately. What will you have us do?
That won't be necessary. Back to the Mage City.
Huh?
Dia baik
Did
sekarang?
you not hear me?
Yes, lordship. We will move out at once.
They've really gone.
Assad, may luck be on your side.
Ih, kenapa tuh dia? Balik kah kita? Save dulu guys. Nanggung deh guys, nanggung ya. Kita balik dulu deh. Tadi dulu. Kita balik dulu, habis itu kita udahan ya. Balik dulu guys. Either way, I still wish you were here.
It looks as if their company has broken away from the Majdom of Janam.
What happened to the
Kantor dia ini
chronicle
lagi.
that was in Al Kalo?
Gabungan sama Matchdom nih.
It does not appear that it has been taken out of the Arcane Academy.
Oh, really? I would have thought they would have taken the chance to snatch it away. Sometimes people are harder to understand than the mysteries of fate itself.
Yes.
I haven't the time to deal with the Majdom Chronicle, and we're too late for the 8th Chronicle.
I'm sorry. I can offer no excuse.
The Night World is imminent. We can only pray that it will not bring with it past tragedies. Not that a prayer would have any meaning. It seems I too have far yet to go.
Sepertinya nggak ada yang ngajar kita lagi. Kerja bagus katanya. Oke, thanks. Why don't you just stay with us? Let's go. Can I expect me to be any more indebted to you? I don't really matter to me who's in debt here, me or you. You're breaking the order too, right? What's so bad about staying with us in a castle? Sure, Castle Takashi and all that big, it's not much to look at either. No. That's not what I'm worried about. Siapa tuh, guys? Kastil kah kita? Kenapa itu, guys? Wih, kastilnya jadi bagus kah? Wih, kayaknya kastilnya jadi bagus deh. Ini yang disebut upgrade gak sih? Ya, kok hitam gini?
What? What's that? What? Where did this lake come from?
Oh, ada danaunya sekarang.
Has that castle always been that big?
What are you talking about? This lake has always been here.
Huh?
She's right. I remember passing through here when we came to intercept the Order's army.
Definitely. It doesn't look as if either the lake or the castle has changed since then.
Get a hold of yourself, man. Don't you know your own castle?
What are you all talking about? This whole place, as far as you can see, it was all forest. Oh, I get it. This is the same time as when the forest appeared. Back then, we thought it had always been there, too, until we touched the Chronicle.
What are you talking about?
Just hold on a second. If you guys touch this book... What? Manaril?
Save it for later. I'm worried about our friends in the castle.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Wait. You know what I'm talking about?
Save that for later, too. For now, let's get to the castle. Quickly.
Gila, dia tahu ternyata, guys. Jadi gede kan? Pastilah. Kit. How cute. Gila, ini ibu dari anak-anak anjir, si Moana. Calmer setting. Apakah dia punya mark nanti? Punya mereka. Starbearer. Oh, yang punya mark itu Starbearer. White star, as in twinkle twinkle little up in the sky. Kocak, bocah. I am. Let me record my power as a reader was one of the mark of the star. You see, different people gain different abilities, even if they all touch the same chronicle. By chance, I gain the power to read and interpret. Well, I'll be. Get me wrong, that's actually pretty cool. I envy your simplicity. You should try to be more like me, Roberto. Haha, banyak belajar ya Roberto ya. Sure, come on, be good to have some company. Let for that now you are here, so you might as well stay here. In order to decide on that, I have something that I have to ask. I don't know. Oke. You need not to do it now, but as we continue our fight against the order, when the chance comes, will you and your Majujaya company lend your strength in the liberation of my homeland, Astaria? Of course we will. Lord Mamet. Anjay, will I apa ya? Mungkin itu nggak jadi gimana ya? Pokoknya keren lah guys. Ibaratnya lu kayak Ya gue nggak tahu sih apa yang gue omongin itu benar apa enggak, tapi kita nggak tahu kalau sampai kita coba gitu. Gila keren banget kata-katanya ya. Soalnya bahasa Inggris tuh gimana ya, kalau gue tuh bisa buat gue pahamin tapi dijelasinnya susah. Gue nggak jelasin ke orangnya susah guys. The fight is on. Gabung, let's go. Child. Namanya ribet banget ya. Asad. Join. Merufis juga. Roberto juga. Let's go. I believe that mobile is here. Oh ya mobile, gue ini loh, apa namanya? Mikirnya si mobile tuh bakal mihak rajanya. Oh ya gue lupa, dia yang ngasih kunci kita biar ke ruangannya si ini ya. Ke ruangannya si siapa sih namanya, gue lupa nih bocah ini. Mobile mana cok? Bukan mobile di sini ya? Oh ini belum guys. Anjay pohon bro. Berarti di bawah ya dia ya. Pindah ke bawah anjir. Sini gak sih guys? Bukan. Ini bukan sebelahnya kayaknya. Gila makin gede guys. How wonderful. Gimana ya? Gue pengennya yang atas sih. The old man out. Maaf men. Dia gabung ke kita bro. Berdua. Let's go. Tempat save di bawah ya guys. Oh di sini sekarang. Ntar dulu deh, gue mau ini dulu deh sebelum save. Aduh. Ini kita butuh tukang lip sih. Ntar ya di next streamnya kita rekrut lagi. Ini udah kejadian besar soalnya guys. Ini banyak banget. Udah lantai berapa ini anjing? Blade outpost di sini cok. Anjir keren banget, ada air terjunnya bro. Sekalian ini dulu ya bentaran. Oh ini dokter nih. Ini dokter guys. Aduh ini kudu di grindingin gak sih? Mas banget. Di bawah juga ada kok. Duh. Ini kebuka guys. Oh. Ini apa guys? Ntar ya kita explore dulu, baru kita save. Event lagi anjing.
Oh! What is it? Is there something there?
Oh yes, there is. Oh, you gotta see this.
Man, oh man. Those are some mighty fine clothes.
You think? Nice looking, aren't they?
What are they doing here?
Who knows? They were just here.
Huh.
You want to try them on?
Oh, me? They're for a man, so I can't wear them. They're too small for jail, and they wouldn't look good on Lou.
Hey, why not? Maybe I will try them on.
Marika, leave the room.
Huh? Why?
Ya iyalah cowok bro, ya ganti lu mau ngintipin si Mamet.
Well, it don't really matter to me.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I'll just step outside.
Kita ganti baju guys.
Is it okay to come back in now?
Not yet.
Come on, what kind of man takes that long to change clothes?
Well, you're yapping. I ain't never tried on clothes like this before. Dad, I think that's it. Okay, you can come on in. Oh, wow.
Oh, dia nggak sih yang di
This is the stuff.
Yeah.
flashbacknya Chronicle guys?
That person we saw in the vision was wearing something like this, right?
Uh-huh.
Maybe it was just a coincidence.
Or maybe. I can't really say. Not bad, huh? Well,
That is so cool. It's like, who is this guy?
yeah.
Gila. Ganti baju kita bro.
So, what do you think?
Wow, those look really cool.
I agree, those clothes suit you.
Well, I think I'll just get them on for now.
Don't see why not.
Yeah, and when you have those on, you really look like the leader of our company. It might be a good change now that you're out of the magedom and gained your independence, don't you think?
Well, all right then. As of today, these are the clothes for the leader of our company.
Udah gitu doang. Gila, kita ganti baju bro. Oh jangan-jangan ntar pada ketemu lagi ya baju-bajunya. Ya apa di sini berarti? Oh mana Ariel bro? Sini ada yang barter kayak. Handsome gila. Don't you look handsome? Ah, gateway. Aduh, datengin sekarang nih guys, ntar aja ya. Gue mau rekrut dulu guys. Edan makin luas guys. Ih gila, kastil kita makin luas coy. Edan parah bos. Aduh, ntar dulu deh, set dulu deh. Kelamaan lagi. Gue belum lapar, gue belum makan nih. Belum nyemil bukaan. Baru minum teh doang. Mau rotska anjir. Kayak panah aja gue. Set dulu lah ya. Makin seru tahu. Oke, segitu dulu aja streamingnya. Terima kasih yang sudah mampir. Sampai jumpa di streaming berikutnya. See you dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.